All right, guys, this is life in North Carolina. I'm pulling up to this Autobell car wash, and I'm going to get my truck washed. And I'm going to let you see the procedures that I go through, okay? This is life in North Carolina. Let's see how it goes. Hold on, guys. Let's just see how it goes. You see the steering wheel, or what you see I'm driving to the bay of the car wash. Here we go. Come on for the ride, fellas. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gents. Let's see if I'm gonna park to the right spot. Okay. He's motioning me to come on up. Oh, this way. He says that way. That's good. Good. He's motioning me to come up. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. I'm good.
Right there, sir.
All right.
Hey, how you doing today? Welcome to Autobell.
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Doing well, sir. You doing the inside and out today, or just the outside?
Both. I'm doing the inside and outside.
All right. So we have our menu specials here. Our Rain-X special covers the vacuum, inside windows, cup holders, door jams, polish and seal on the outside, Rain-X and tire shine. And we have our big Armor All package, inside and outside, Armor All your windows, cup holders, door jams, polish and sealer. You also get tire shine on wheels. Would you like to try any one of those?
No, not today. I'm just gonna take the regular wash.
The full service?
Yeah, the full service.
All right. Did you want to add any tire shine or anything like that?
No, not today.
Okay.
And what's your name is spelled G-A-V?
Yes,
okay. All right.
All right. It'll be $21.34.
All right. Credit card.
Would you like another receipt?
Yeah. Let me get a duplicate. Yeah, as always. Thanks for asking. That's good. Sorry about the picture, guys. I'm trying to get this where you can see the prices on here. This car wash is in Autobell is in Burlington. By the way. Okay. Let's see how I do. Let's take a look around. Okay, that's the receipt. All right.
There you go.
All right.
All right. Just make sure it's in neutral. Foot off the brake and hands off the steering wheel. It's about to send you forward.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride, everybody. Let's go see how good this thing washes. Washes my truck. Oh, this is life in North Carolina. Please subscribe and like and share if you like this video. You can't hardly see this really good now because he sprayed it with soap and everything. But I give him credit. He did give me a double receipt. Most of the time, some of these Autobell car washes don't want to give you a double receipt, or they don't act like they know what you're talking about. But this location is in Burlington, North Carolina. Let's see what it does. Take you through the process. All right, we're getting soaked down pretty good. Okay. We're getting soaked down pretty good, definitely. Let's see what it does, everybody. That's just a receipt on the windshield. See what it does. See the brushes and stuff. See how long this thing takes. Right now it's almost like 5 minutes by the time I got here. That's where they wash it off with the water now. Stuff like that. So of course it's blowing the water off, air dry. What we got here. Because they're going to move fast when I get out. Watch. Okay. Yeah. Wait on that. Yeah. Yes. I will do that. Come on where he's at. Oh, around there. Okay, gotcha. I was gonna hit the hose and stuff. All right, we're here. Good. Okay, we're here. All right, let me still keep filming just a little bit. Y'all hold on.
Hey, how you doing today, sir?
Doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Let me get this out so y'all can get going.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, I'm here. Let me go inside for a little bit and see what we got. See what we got here. This is the inside of the place. All right, let's see what we got. Got all of that. It's got that just a basic inside lobby area. It has a soda machine, snack machine, soda machine, right here, Pepsi. Okay. The only thing that's bad about this place is the walls are deteriorating because I guess because of the water. Other than that, everything else looks good. See all that? Like, I think because of the water, some kind of water getting in those cinder blocks. That's what I noticed. Well, overall, the place is good. Let's check the bathrooms. Yeah. The bathroom is okay. It's got one piece of paper on the floor. It's okay though. It's okay. This is life in North Carolina. We're gonna sign out, okay? Everybody take care. Peace. Love. Please like, subscribe, and share. All right. Bye.